Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video today and just talk about affiliate marketing, because I was looking at my stats in regards to promoting ClickFunnels, and it just made me think, how easy it is to get started with affiliate marketing compared to when I first got started. And really what I mean is the technology is a lot simpler. There's a lot more ways to get your message out, and just online tools that make things easier for you. Because when I first started, I had to use like 5 different things, make all this software talk together, and it was kind of a pain in the butt once I wanted to go and sell my own stuff. At least at the very beginning, when I didn't have a product, I didn't have like an offer to sell, I didn't have anything like that, I didn't have a list. I knew that the easiest way to get started would be with affiliate marketing, right? So with that, the cool thing is that even starting out then, all I needed was 2 pages, a landing page and a thank you page with a button pointing to an affiliate offer. That is literally how simple it is to get started online, to build your own affiliate marketing funnel. And the cool thing is I was looking at this because I wanted to make a training and show people as far as demonstrating this in action with the technology. So I just kind of took like a sample product from a client that I had dealt with before who was in the health and fitness niche. He was actually involved with keto and ketogenics. And he had approached me to do some stuff for him as far as helping with his landing page and just helping him develop his sales copy for his email campaign and helping him create his own webinar presentation as well. So he brought all this information and whatnot to me about the keto niche, and I just kind of thought, well, if I was just starting out in the keto niche, what would I do? So I just had to look at a few products and then found like a couple pages or pages with images and some sample text and whatnot. And I just made a simple video just showing and outlining how simple it is. So if I was just brand new and getting started, I know that keto is still pretty big. That's a pretty good market to get started in. And I could probably make some sales right off the bat and get some interest and some traction. Would be to go and just create a simple landing page. Hey, go get this guide, this information here, this case study, whatever it is, come up with a lead magnet idea to get them to opt in. From there, on the thank you page, I'm going to say, hey, your thing's on the way. You can check out this offer here below, which would be for whatever the product is that I was an affiliate for. But I would say, but don't just go and get this product. If you get it through me, through my special link, you're going to get this bonus and this bonus and this bonus. And those would be specially crafted based on whatever the product was that I was promoting, right? I would go and analyze it and just go and take their product and transform it into an offer, right? So that is how I would get started. Just 2 simple pages and boom, you're off and running when it comes to affiliate marketing. There's lots of products to promote and away you can go. And the cool thing is that if you are trying to figure out, you're not so sure about how to take a product and turn it into an offer, go sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge. And you can go and get my special bonuses just for taking the One Funnel Away Challenge. And that is probably the most valuable lesson that I got from the One Funnel Away Challenge, was how to create an offer. I thought I knew about creating offers, but this Stephen Larson is like a Jedi master when it comes to creating offers, and he will show you about creating offers in a way that will just absolutely blow your mind and just allow you to approach affiliate marketing in a completely different way. So go check it out, sign up for the challenge. I'll see you in the next video.